Let's get back to the latest on this major nor'easter. We're just hours away from the first impacts of this winter storm. Meteorologist Vanessa Murdock here now with our first alert forecast and more details on this. And Vanessa, you mentioned it earlier, 24 hours from now, things are going to be looking a lot different out there.
Yeah, absolutely. 24 hours from now, I expect the worst of the storm to be taking over the tri-state area. So at present, we need to appreciate what's happening out there. Certainly, when we look live outside right now, things are looking good, but things will be changing. We've got cloudy skies. It's 41 degrees right now. Winds are out of the northeast at 6 through the overnight. Through the overnight hours, what we're going to note is that the clouds will be thickening continuously. And then tomorrow, we're going to watch conditions deteriorate as temperatures drop. So we have a lot of changes happening over the next 24 hours. And let's go ahead and check out what we can expect moving forward in your first alert forecast. So as mentioned tonight, conditions stay relatively similar to where we are at this moment in time. And then we're going to watch tomorrow with things changing. So 35 overnight, maybe a little bit of wet weather toward daybreak. Then tomorrow, we're going to warm to 37 very early in the day and watch those temperatures drop. Snow and wind will eventually take hold in the tri-state area. Let's break down the forecast for you. First and foremost, as we look at what you can expect from this storm, the latest forecast, 12 to 18 inches for many of us. We're talking about 18 to 24 along the coast. Powerful winds that will gust 40 to 60 miles per hour plus. Coastal flooding, beach erosion expected. What will the impacts be? Dangerous travel. I mean, all of the officials are saying just don't bother going out late tomorrow to Monday. Expect flight delays and cancellations across the entire northeastern corridor. Possible power outages as well. This is going to be heavy wet snow to start, more powdery as the event winds down. But the point is, things are going to deteriorate rapidly, and it's going to be a tough storm to get through. So let's go ahead, shall we, and look at exactly the impacts. First and foremost, we've got coastal flooding expected of the moderate variety. That means we're going to see 1 to 2.5 feet of inundation out there, and we're also going to expect coastal erosion. Those winds gusting 40 to 60 miles per hour plus will be forcing water over land, and of course the waves will be crashing. So many coastal impacts from this nor'easter is what we can bank on. As far as high tide time, when the coastal flooding will be most impactful, here's a look. It's that overnight Sunday into early Monday high tide cycle. Point Pleasant around 11 p.m. Lindenhurst 2, 11:29 at the Battery. Freeport 11:52 tomorrow night. That is going to be the worst of the coastal flooding. Hour by hour, we'll take you through the forecast. Overnight tonight, again, those cloudy skies are thickening. 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, maybe a little precip, a little rain, a little snow as we move through the day. Maybe a little mixing happening as well. Here we are at noon. Snow is trying to fill in. It's very light at this time. But then we head past sunset. This is when the storm is going to really rapidly intensify, and the storm will deliver heavy rounds of snow, maybe even thunder snow as we approach the midnight hour, and that could produce up to 4 inches of snow per hour. By midnight and beyond, it's still heavy snow out there at times, continuous light to moderate snow early in the day, and then after the noon hour on Monday, the storm system's exiting, winds are settling down, but of course there'll be a lot of cleanup. So this is just one model, what you can expect from snowfall by 5 p.m. tomorrow night. It's 1 inch to maybe 3 inches on the ground. Midnight hour, now we're talking 4 to 8 inches, and then that trend continues. 6 a.m. we're at 10 to 15, and then here you go. By 2 p.m. Monday, it's anywhere from, say, a foot or more of snow across the vast majority of the tri-state area. Certainly, it is gonna be messy out there. Total snowfall in the city. These are the ranges out there, but again, we're forecasting 12 to 18 inches. Your first alert 7-day forecast after these two first alert weather days. We are going to warm up into the 40s. The snow will melt more rapidly than with the last storm.
As is so often the case before a big storm, Vanessa, was so mild and nice today before it. And we took our son to Central Park Zoo. It was legitimately lovely. And now 36 hours from now, we'll need cross-country skis to do that.
Absolutely.
Vanessa, thank you. And we'll be right back.